Water is life, the source of all things, essential, mysterious, and magical. Egyptian life flourished around the Nile. Ancient cultures thrived around the Euphrates and the Tigris, the Ganga and the Indus. And the Chinese prospered where the Yellow River and the Yangtze bent and curved across a harsh terrain. Climate change, population pressure, urbanization, agriculture. Human influence is depleting and contaminating our fresh water. 4 billion people live with water scarcity. 87% of our planet's wetlands are lost. 70% of the world is covered by water, but only 2.5% of it is fresh. And only 1% of this fresh water is available for use. Will it be enough to serve nearly 8 billion people? In 2015, 193 member states convened and adopted 17 Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 6 focuses on our most precious resource, water, with a goal to achieve clean and safe access for all. This is a global challenge, and we must act now. In this course, you will meet creative thinkers and visionaries, world-renowned scientists, professors, practitioners, and thought leaders who understand that water is connected to everything. Without it, we are nothing. Through them, you will learn about governance, financing, ancient nature-based solutions, new technologies, and innovations. And in the end, you will understand that collectively, with shared tools, utilizing new thought and old wisdom, we can achieve SDG 6. Water for everyone, everywhere by 2030.